If I were a betting woman, big if right there, I would put money on the fact that if you own a business in 2019, you probably use multiple social media platforms to promote your products and services. For example, my platforms of choice to promote my business are Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and my website. Now, because I have complete control of my website, I can ensure that visitors of my website know that they can connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. And I can do this by integrating my social media feeds into my website, just like this. But can I do the same in Facebook? In this short video, I'm going to share with you a very easy to use and free resource that will help you integrate your Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, and website feeds directly onto your Facebook business page using what we call Facebook tabs. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and my channel is all about sharing marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. Today, I'm going to show you a very simple way to integrate your Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, and website feeds directly onto your Facebook business page using a free resource. So, a few things first to make sure that we are on the same page here. What exactly do I mean when I say integrate your feeds? Basically, what I'm talking about is finding a space on your Facebook business page that allows people to access your social media accounts for whatever platform you want without them having to leave Facebook. So it looks like this. In Facebook, we can do this through the use of what we call Facebook tabs. Now, Facebook tabs are basically the options that appear on the left-hand side of your Facebook business page. You know, right underneath your profile picture. So why would you even want to consider integrating your Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, or Pinterest feeds? I'll give you a real life example. So for my videos, most of my views stem from Facebook or LinkedIn. However, I know that I need to increase my YouTube subscriber base and views. By integrating my YouTube feed onto my Facebook business page, I'm increasing my odds of a new or existing follower finding my YouTube page. If they happen to spend more time on YouTube watching videos instead of Facebook, then they can instantly subscribe to my YouTube channel from Facebook and follow me through that platform instead. By the same token, I can also integrate my website into Facebook. So for example, if I want new or existing Facebook followers to know that I have freebies like checklists and worksheets available to them, then I can make a tab titled Resources and link the page on my website that has the resources. The cool thing is that a separate window doesn't open. It accesses my resources webpage directly from Facebook. So when they decide that they want to have access to these freebies and my webpage prompts them for an email address, it does it all within the Facebook platform. Pretty cool, right? Think of Facebook tabs as another way for you to pump up, integrate, and promote what you're already doing on other platforms. It's just one more step in getting all of your platforms to work collectively for one common goal, to grow your business. Now, in order to do this, I am using a free resource called WooBox. WooBox helps you integrate platforms, and while they do have a wide array of services and offerings for their paid members, you can use their free account for what we are doing here today. And I am on their free account, so I promise you that there are no strings attached to this. Okay, so I'm going to let you see my screen right now so that I can show you how we can set this up within a matter of minutes. All right, so let's start off by going to WooBox. It is going to be the first listing right here. Now remember, I'm going to go to sign in simply because I already have an account. You'll hit sign up if you need to create an account. Remember that it's free. When you come to the home page, you'll have 3 tabs at the top: campaigns, static tabs, and post. You'll want to click on static tabs. Here, you'll click on the green button, create a new tab. Your options will be HTML tab, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Remember that the HTML tab is actually going to be where you'll be able to tag a web page. So we are actually going to go with the YouTube tab for this first one. Right here you'll have mobile access option. If you have a paid membership, you'll actually be able to turn this on. Since we have a free account, we won't be able to do that, but it's okay. We're just going to skip down here to where it asks us for our YouTube username, and we'll input that. Right here where it says featured URL, you're going to want to put the URL of the video that you want for it to put at the very top. So the featured video. You'll hit Save Settings and then come over here to Manage and Tab Settings. This is where you're going to create a tab name. Now you have complete flexibility in naming these. You could put Watch My Videos here. You can name it Video Library, or we'll keep it something simple and just go with YouTube since that's what it is. I'll hit Save Settings. And I want to show you on my Facebook page what it actually looks like now. So remember, the tabs are going to appear on the left side of my Facebook business page. And there it is. It's added it at the bottom, YouTube. So when I click on it, let's see how it integrates the YouTube channel. Here it is. That's my YouTube channel right there popping up in Facebook. This is the HTML, or rather the web link that we put in there for the featured video. And then the other videos are listed on there. Now if I want to create another one, I'm going to go back up here to Static Tabs. And let's say I want to do Pinterest. There it is. Same thing with the mobile access. You'll be able to turn this on only if you have a paid membership. But right here, we're going to skip down to the Pinterest username, and I'll put mine. You have two options, show all pin boards or show pins from pin boards. So you can select if you only want one board to show on your Facebook business page. But I've selected show all pins. Now I'm going to go under Manage and Tab Settings again so that I can name my tab. I can do View My Pinterest Boards, or I could do something fun like Pin With Me, or I can just keep it simple and do Pinterest again. Save Settings. Now I want to show you once again what that looks like on your Facebook business page. And here it is, it shows it. Now notice when I click on it, all of my Pinterest boards appear. So this is really great because if people want to follow me on Pinterest, they can just do it from here on the Facebook business page. All right, so let's go back and let's create one last one to link to my website. So I'll select HTML tab. Same thing with the mobile access. It's going to be turned off since we have a free account. And right here you have three options, URL, image, or HTML. You could put code in here if you're fancy and want to do something like that. You can select an image if you want to maybe put a picture of yourself and biography in there. Or we can do what I'm doing, which is just put our website in there. I'm going to go down here and hit Save Settings, Manage, and let's name that tab again. So because you can link it to any web page, you could put something like visit my website. You can also do just plain website. Biography, remember I said you can actually upload a bio here. Sign up for my emails. So if you want to start your email list, you can do that. I'm just going to leave mine as website. Save Settings. And if I click up here to where it says View tab on Facebook, it'll auto-link me to my Facebook so that I can see where the tab pulls up. And notice you hit on website, and that right there is my website integrated into my Facebook business page. So that is really great, something that I think is useful. And if I want someone subscribed to my newsletter, they can, because that's at the bottom of my page. Now let me go back and show you how easy it is to delete this. If I want to delete it, I simply go to Remove App and confirm deletion, delete, and there you go, the tab is deleted. Now let me double check and make sure it is. When I go to my Facebook page, you see it's gone. It doesn't have that website tab on there anymore. I hope that the information that I shared here with you today is not only useful, but something that you can use to integrate your initiatives across all of these platforms. If you did like the content, remember that every Monday I release a new video with information just like this that can help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. If you want to stay up to date and current with the content I'm putting out there, go ahead and like my Facebook page. You can find me under the Seasoned Marketer or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget that I have marketing freebies like the quick and easy SEO checklist, roadmap to Instagram insights, 15 blog post ideas, and more on my website. Just visit theseasonedmarketer.com and click on resources. Thanks again for tuning in to this Monday Marketing Minute. I will catch you guys next week, same time and place.